Hi, Rich Daly from DynoPort. We've done all our silencer testing earlier in the season on the Dyno. We just come out today to let you hear the sound. Here's the stock, weighs 18.5 pounds. The next closest one is our trail can, a little louder in stock, weighs 8.5 pounds. My favorite, the Big Core Barker, weighs 5.3. And then, for the race, got to thank Arctic Cat. I do get a deal, which means it's a stock sled, but on a better deal, so we race it. I use my mountain light or race silencer. Super loud, no power advantage over the other, but we do have a neat little gimmick we put in here, 42mm inducer, which tightens the pipe up, gives you 2 horse. Works great on short runs and when work on a long lake run. Stud Boy, another one of my sponsors, they have the longest studs. They have a neat little, I call this an extra paddle there, which when you plant in the ground gives you better traction. So thanks, pick out your sound.